back to a Sniff. Welcome back to Sniff. Another episode of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. In this episode, we are going to go back to Planet Mukau, the Imperial Flight Festival, because Quark has some information for us, or something like that. I think my game must have not saved, because I don't have my buzz blades to level 4. They're at level 3, but it's alright. We'll get them to level 4. Yeah, level 4, because that just means we get to use more of them. Oh, someone's calling. Casa Grande. Just answer and hang up. They just called again. Hello? Freaking Casa Grande. I think some sort of freaking charity. Alright, I ain't gonna give him anything. I thought he was gonna say something to us, but guess not. Let's just get these up to level 5. 4, I mean. Maybe I'll go back to Sargasso and upgrade them, because they aren't upgrading faster. They aren't going fast enough. Yeah, let's use a different weapon. You're up, Mr. Zircon. Oh, the shard gun. I believe we got this weapon on this planet. Okay. Feels good playing Ratchet and Clank again. Yesterday I was supposed to record, but I ended up watching Carrie and Children of the Corn. 2 Stephen King movies. And I was gonna watch The Shining, but it wasn't on Netflix. You just gotta get in that Halloween feel. Maybe I'll play some horror games. Just for the Halloween spirit. Play some Five Nights at Freddy's. I'll try to get face cam working. I don't know if it'll work or not, but okay. Challenge complete. Woo! Scratching the boss already? It's like, whoa, oh yeah, brother. Energy creature of some sort, great. Okay. This is an Alpha Disruptor. You're not doing too well, Alpha Disruptor. Undefeated? Oh, jeez. That's not doing well either. Oh wait, is this an electric weapon? Is this an electric weapon? I'm pretty sure it is. Oh, that's a first. Lower, he's almost dead. God, this is right on. Oh, they're taking him out fast. Okay.
Outstanding work, strangers I've never met, and now the fruits of your labor. One hollow pirate disguise, perfect for parties and undercover misadventures. And for the little guy, a copy of my new exercise book, Body by Quark. So you two can have the calves of a champion.
Did you call us here for a reason, or are you just trying to get us killed?
Can it be both? I'm just kidding. Here, I found this in Tachyon's underwear drawer. I thought it was... I thought it might be a clue.
It's time for another installment of the Polaris Compendium of Historical Importance. In this chapter, we will explore the galactic awesomeness that is I.R.I.S, the largest supercomputer in Polaris history. This mysterious behemoth is said to have an IQ of 3 billion. That would mean 170 arachnoid sages or 3 billion holonet fanboys. Built by an unknown race eons ago, I.R.I.S once served as the ultimate search engine for the universe. Now it resides deep within pirate territory, sealed off from the public. Its only master, the duplicitous Captain Slag. This has been another depressing installment of the Polaris Compendium of Historical Importance.
Maybe I.R.I.S knows where the Dimensionator is. Let's go.
Take me with you! I can't do this undercover thing anymore. I'm not a superhero. I'm just a hero. How am I supposed to survive without some kind of endorsement deal, huh?
Whoa, okay, take it easy, big guy. Maybe you can be a superhero. You just need to stop being so self-absorbed and whiny.
You're right. This is not the time for vanity. It's the time to show the universe how amazingly awesome I am. I'm sorry, Ratchet. I hope you never have to endure the pleasure of saving an entire galaxy. Wish me luck.
Alright, what's that place called? The Creeley Comet, I believe it's called. Okay, challenges. Do I want to do challenges? I don't know. Let's skip to the Creeley Comet, actually, because it's a long level. I'm not even lying. It's a freaking huge level with only one checkpoint. It only has one checkpoint. So if you die far into the map, you go all the way back to the beginning. Kind of like this planet. Because this planet has no checkpoints. So, this planet's not worse, though. Creeley Comet is definitely a lot worse. Whee! Ooh! Dun, 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 the Creeley Comet, let's go! Du, 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 What?
Those pirate ships are blocking our path to I.R.I.S. We must find a way to sneak through.
Oh, what the heck? What? Okay, that was really random. I didn't mean to click enter shit. Okay, this game is freaking out. Okay, I didn't really... I was supposed to spawn right here, and then it gave me the big old view of the map, but it didn't do that. Not today, it didn't. Ooh, the Pyroblaster. I kind of want to save up for the armor though, so I'll save up for the armor instead. So we can like get up to date with the armor and take less damage.
Another satisfaction. There's no way the long could ever. sorcerer if our Lombax whisperer. Just like that guy on the holiday program who can speak to the fossil rights and such. Except more attractive, of course.
Perhaps it is time to try out our new holo-pirate disguise.
Why don't we kill him? Yeah, but Lombax can kick your booty hole. Rawr.
Only a true pirate may pass. Dance the jig and prove your worth.
Alright.
Do you right? Do you left? Do you right? Let's go!
Follow me, lad. No lad never could but.
So those are pretty fun challenges. They're just like these little mini games, but they're pretty cool. Yay! Dun 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 dun. This thing has very low power. That's what it says. How it shows. Alright, let's go. I don't know why I started singing Mario. Wow, that wrench really extends out, doesn't it? Huh, can't reach up here. Oh, wow, I didn't know when you blew up a turret, it expanded into people. It turned into people. I'm doing pretty good. Okay. Oh, God. What cannonballs? Oh, he is reporting to the armory. Oh. Trigger. There we go. This guy's crazy, isn't he? Oh my God. Okay. Wait, what? Hold up, he just exploded and I died instantly? He insta-killed the crap out of me. Gosh, this guy needs more power.
We got you good boss look ass here.
Let's just try to get to where we were really fast. Like. No, 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 almost. I'm gonna actually try to do that. Wow, when this thing meant more ammo, it really meant more ammo. Hold on, I just want to see what that skill planet was when I got from Planet Mukau. Wait, what? It's probably in general then. Oh, I probably just got every gadget. That's probably it. I probably just got every gadget. No, no, no! You gotta be smart in this game, man. You can't do stupid things like what I just did. Whee! I guess I am gonna get the armor. Maybe I'll get enough bolts for the armor. Wow. I really need that armor, don't I? I want to see what one hit from that armor does to me. Because this armor sucks. Everything is practically insta-kill. Looking sexy. Alright, yeah, it looks nice. Well, thank you. It looks great. Except it looks like I'm not wearing anything on my head. Looks like that's literally the head shit, that's the color of my head. Let's try to scoot forward a little more. Oh no. No. Oh, that head is floating. Wow, this thing is almost upgraded, isn't it? Yeah. It's a good thing I got my Alpha Disruptor. Sheesh, still takes a lot of health off. Freaking super space pirates. No, no, go, go, go. Yeah. Can't reach up here, huh? Geesh, okay, just... Ah! Squad! Oh, I got a good idea. Yeah. Okay. Holy crap, I was so scared I would die right there. I don't know why I just bolted in those crystals. Na 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 na. There's something about chicken nuggets. Why does that guy notice me? No! Mr. Zircon, no! No, dude, no! No, Mr. Zircon, no! No! No, let me up. Thanks, Mr. Zircon. Thanks, Mr. Zircon! Oh my gosh. Is that better? Do I need to do that?
Ahoy, me hearty.
To your left. To the sky. To your left. To the sky. To your right. To the sky.
Shake your booty. I clicked down. Okay. Upgrade. Oh, sweet. Dun, 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 dun.
Congratulations! You have upgraded to Doom Blast. This modification adds an acidic compound to your blades, dealing more damage.
Hello. I don't like the way you're touching me. Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Attention, lads. Use of the I.R.I.S supercomputer is restricted to educational purposes only. Do not download games, music, or alternative cinema without me approval.
Oh god.
Avast, you rats. Nobody's
Alternative cinema? Didn't I already kill this guy? This looks like... It seems like a Crash Bandicoot boss with the bombs and stuff. Totally a Crash Bandicoot boss. That was loud. I wonder if you guys heard me that whole time. Oh my gosh. That's our checkpoint, guys. They made it to the checkpoint. Oh my gosh.
What can we do, you?
Oh, we can upgrade the buzz blades. Oh, how much did this cost?
Done and done.
I want to see how much ammo it can hold. 260. It doesn't feel like a difference. Where is it? Oh, there it is.
Attention,
Oh
lads.
gosh.
This is a
Yay!
reminder. The Trillium War is
Whee!
yours. I gotta admit, these original Titanium weapon was so dangerous they tore up the plans to it. Guess we'll find out soon.
Ooh, I got more of the plans than I thought I did. So there's 12 plans. I only need 6 more. Looks like. Should not be that hard. Should not be that hard. Yeah. Yeah. Bah!
I already told you. To your right. To the sky. To your left. To the sky. Shake your pussy. To the sky. To the sky. I've seen many a jig, but that we have finished. We make ass.
I feel like I was here before. Oh no, never mind. I wasn't. Shoot everything up. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here. No, you will not take me up. Still holding the combustor when he got it. That's the best glitch ever. You guys might be wondering why I'm using the combustor to, break the crates. It's because I never use the combustor, so it doesn't matter if I use ammo for it or not.
Welcome to the Chronet Weapon Shop.
Welcome to the Chronet Weapon Shop. What is this?
Bada boom.
Oh, okay. So Alpha Disruptor will be next. on the upgrade list.
This be your captain speaking. Be on the lookout for one mangy lovers in a cheap hollow player disguise.
Alright.
I don't care if it's dead or alive, so long as it ain't breathing.
Alright, that is it for this episode of Ratchet and Clank Future Schools of Destruction. Be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more. Anyway, my name is Jedi on my page.